to DIY Bazaar. Today I'm going to diagnose this condenser unit for the split system of the air conditioning. Every time I turn it on, the compressor runs but the fan doesn't work, so I'm gonna figure that one out. Now I'm gonna turn on the unit. The compressor runs but the fan doesn't turn, so I'm gonna open this one up. I'm removing this panel here to disconnect the wire for the condenser fan motor. With the use of contactless voltage tester, I'm gonna check to see if there's any voltage present on this one for safety reasons. This one will use 12mm to remove this protection cage. Since I already taken out the condenser fan motor, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this one up. Now I found this exact bit replacement for this condenser fan motor. Now I'm gonna replace this with the new one, but first I'm gonna remove the fan. Please take 8mm to loosen this nut. And then I'm gonna be using a pulley to extract this. Now I'm gonna be using a condenser fan pulley extractor to remove this. There's one indication too that the motor is already bad, is that there's already oil coming out from the motor itself. Make sure this hole here lines up with the flat surface of the shaft. Alright, it's spinning pretty good, so I'm gonna do the final installation. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on the main switch. And then I have somebody turn on the thermostat inside the house. Now that the fan is working fine, nice and smooth, I'll be using this digital airflow meter to measure the speed of the fan. And this one spins at 500. Let's see here. It's been running for 5 minutes and the fan is running smoothly and pretty steady. Luckily, I don't have to replace the capacitor because the capacitor is rated the same as the new replacement motor. It's 5 microfarad. So now I'm gonna close this. Upon checking this motor, when I just removed this, it's nice and warm. And also I checked the continuity of each lead to make sure there's no short circuit, and it turns out to be okay. This motor has an oil leak, and also when I start the condenser unit, this one gets warm and this motor doesn't spin, so I decided to just replace it.